Guys, let's fix Samsung J4 core charging issue. One guy tried to fix, then he couldn't fix, he sent it to me. Let's see what is doing this phone. So all the screws is in the plastic. This is the screen. Please keep it sticky. First I must check what is going on with this phone. Then we go inside and check. It is a charging. Yeah, we see it's stuck on here charging. So let's see if we can repair. Door is open already.
If you know the number, press 2. If you are unsure what the number is, you will be able to continue with your call after any of the options. For the WhatsApp link, press 1. For the SMS link, press 2. To continue with your call now, press 3.
Someone tried to repair, I think, the charging. Looks like it didn't solve well. Okay, let's see. What is going on?
You selected an invalid option. Please make a valid selection. You can now access self-help features through
This
WhatsApp
way,
and
tell
SMS.
it to
You'll
move.
be able to continue with your call after any of the options. For the WhatsApp link, press 1. For the SMS link, press 2. To continue with your call now, press 3. For self-service related to spend limit, bundle purchases, and language settings, press 1. For validating, billing, and account inquiries, press 2. For service, device, settings, and plug support, or to blacklist a lost device, press 3. To find out how to perform Telcom-related actions such as
Does not source. I'm going to use the same charging block.
If you are having issues with network coverage or roaming, press 5. To repeat this menu, press 9.
Trying to buy my soldering iron is cold.
Features through WhatsApp
Just
and SMS.
solds
You'll be
nicely.
able to continue with your call after any of the options. For the WhatsApp link, press 1.
This is the same charging pin. I remove from here. Even one break. It's not difficult if you know. If you don't know, then this is from MK. They're selling cup things. Okay, this side as well. Yeah, it looks nice now. Okay. Let's check if it's right. And okay, screw here tiny. And one more we need here, top side here. Before we close, we must check once. I'm sure it's going to be fine. Sure. Yeah, it's clicked. Plug in and let's see now if it's going to charge. Check the battery now. Battery is little bit flat now, so I'm sure it's going to work. Let it boost little bit battery. This is very slow, so I just gonna put jumpers here. This is minus. Plus. Check what is going on now. Yeah, 3.5 at the moment, so we're going to wait a little bit. After that, we repair this Wi-Fi 2018 charging. Okay, guys, check again. Yeah, it's 3.7 now, so it should actually start charging. Let's try again. Yeah, see guys, problem solved. And now we are only going to close it, so let's close. This LCD is sticky, 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 sticky. क्या चीज? हो सकता है. Okay. That guy open even this back. He should not. Lot of stupid guys trying to fix. Put all the screw back. I think video going wrong. It's 11 minutes. Let me little bit stop with all the screw. Try to put all the screws. I'm tired now. He lost some screw. Okay. Some glue work just on the side. Guys, biki. Yani. Put connectors. And the screen back. He should not open this. Don't know who was this guy, my friend. But it is fine. We put it back. Maybe it's a new. This work. We send the picture to the owner that it is repaired. He can collect. Guys, please like my video if it is helpful for you. Kindly, my friend was take for tomorrow. Okay guys, see you in next video. Bye. I need one picture here too. Yes.